Hey guys, this is Achintya Gomat. I am back with another video. In this video, I am announcing the summer cohort of a Tathastu Scholar Internship program. It is going to be a 1-month internship starting from 1st June. If you have all the details you are already aware of, you can just go ahead and register in the Google form in the description, or you can watch the video to get all the details. So let's start with some basic details about it. So this is not going to be a training, it is an internship. So we are not going to teach you anything. We are going to give some task on the basis of some skills, some projects, some minor projects that you have to do. We will also provide you some YouTube video that you can use as reference. Second, it's a learning based internship and not a work based internship. So what happens in a learning based internship, you are given some task to make a project, to watch a video, to make some notes, etc. In a work based internship, you are working on some actual company, actual project. So this is not a work based internship, this is a learning based internship. There is no stipend, we are not going to pay you anything, we are not going to charge you as well. There is no fee, zero fee for this. This course will not take a lot of this internship will not take a lot of your time. You can also manage with other courses you are doing. So you have to just give 2-3 hours per week or 6 to 8 hours in the total duration of this internship. What you have to do in this, you have to do 3 tasks which will be given on the basis of skill you will select. Second, you have to also give a re-level test as the eligibility criteria for this internship. So within joining of 7 days of you in this internship, you have to give the re-level test. We will tell you all the details in the WhatsApp group that we are going to add after your selection. We will talk about it later. So let me first show you the document certificates you will get from us. First, you will get an offer letter, as you can see on the screen. This will be the exact format with the date change, your name and specific skill you have selected. You will get this offer letter only after you have submitted your re-level test submission. Okay, so we will talk about it in some future videos which you can see on our channel. Second, this will be the internship completion certificate given to you, mentioning what skill you have done, the duration you have done. Okay, so this is exact documents. We are only providing these 2 documents and nothing else, so don't get confused. So what are the roles offered? These are the roles we are offering. Web development, it will be a front-end development, full stack development in one stack. We are offering data science and machine learning. We are offering you core Java, Python, and DSA you can do in C++, Java, Python, whichever language you want. So these are the 6 roles we are offering. You can select any one. You cannot do internship in more than one. You can only do internship in one skill in one cohort. If you want to do in another skill, then you have to join again after in the next month or the further cohort of our internship. So what kind of task you have to do? First task you have to do will be a re-level test. So we'll tell you all the details. Re-level test is a free test. You don't have to give any money or any fee, subscribe, nothing else is there. Test happens at 10 a.m. every day. You can book any slot. We will give you enough time so that you can plan your test. Second, apart from this first task, you would be like you have to watch a tutorial and make some notes. Like if you are in Python, Java, similarly, we will tell you some videos or topics that you have to watch and learn from them. Third task, second task will be you have to make a minor project, because if you in an internship, if you make a project, then that internship becomes more valuable. Last task would be you have to make a small quiz of 10 questions on Google form on the basis of topics you have studied so far. It's a well structured internship program which will help you learn some concept in any. So this is a very important part you need to understand. A lot of students get confused. So how to apply an eligibility? So what will happen? First, you have to fill a Google form. Link is there in the description. On the basis of details filled, we will contact you on WhatsApp. So make sure you give your WhatsApp number only, and we will not contact every student. A lot of students confused, like they have filled a Google form, they got selected. No, this is not going to work. So you first fill the form, then we will see all the details you have filled, and then we will select students who we want to select in our internship. So some students will get message on WhatsApp by me and some will not get. Okay, second step will be an onboarding process. I will tell you the details. You have to follow 1 or 2-3 steps because you are joining an internship, so you need to provide some details. So we will ask them and then we will onboard you. After onboarding, you have to give the re-level test within 7 days of you joining in this internship. We will tell you the date and the procedure and everything in a separate video, so don't worry about it. Once you give your re-level test, then you will be issued an offer letter for this internship. After getting offer letter, or you can early start as well your task, then you will be given details of 3 tasks. You can do this task before offer letter as well and after that as well, but make sure you only attempt test after giving re-level test, because in some way if you are not able to give re-level test, then you will be disqualified from this internship. Last date to apply for this, you can check in the description, details is mentioned. We keep changing the date depending on the demand from students, so you can check the last date in the description. Who can apply? Any year student can apply, first year, second year, third year, final year, but I would recommend students who are going from third year to final year, that is in 2023 pass out batch, they should apply, because it will be more helpful for them, because they are going to final year, they need project or internship, so it will definitely help those students who have applied, done our internship in the past can also apply in this. We allow you to do multiple internship, but only one skill in one cohort, so you can apply again in this as well. Some FAQs, this is a self-learning, we will not be teaching you anything. Certificate is accepted in at least 450 plus colleges that I know of, and many other colleges that I am not aware of yet. So our certificate is accepted. Don't worry if you want to submit in your college whether it be accepted or not. You can do only one role at a time, you cannot do multiple roles. Alumni can apply, I've already told you, there is no hiring or selection criteria. The only thing, you have to give a re-level test, and how that works we will tell you in a separate video. If you have any other query for this cohort, please let me know in the comments, and if you have any issues, we are happy to listen to them. This is going to be a very exciting and learning journey for you, so make sure you apply. Link is there in the description.